Pumps, valves, and compressors are essential components in industries such as manufacturing, oil and gas, power generation, water treatment, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and infrastructure. Manufacturing these critical systems requires precision engineering, efficient production planning, strict quality control, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of pumps, valves, and compressors manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, machining, fabrication, assembly, testing, quality inspection, inventory management, and dispatch, every process works together seamlessly. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility throughout the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability while efficiently managing multiple production orders. Real-time monitoring helps track work orders, production progress, inventory movement, and resource utilization, reducing bottlenecks and ensuring timely project completion.